Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Angel Emerole. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make homemade groundnuts using non-sticky pan. So I'm going to start by separating my groundnuts from the broken ones, the whole groundnuts from the broken groundnuts, removing all sand, removing all dirt. I just want a clean whole groundnut. So this is my clean whole groundnuts. I'm going to wash this. I'm going to wash them clean. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of salt into the groundnuts. Then I will use my wooden spoon and mix the salt into the groundnuts. I will mix this thoroughly. Then set it aside. In a non-sticky pan that is clean, no addition of oil, no addition of anything, I'm going to pour in the groundnuts into the pan to start toasting them. So I will be toasting the groundnut on a very low heat. I always make sure I keep toasting this continually non-stop to avoid the groundnut from getting burnt. You can see guys, the color is changing gradually. So I will keep frying this continually non-stop. So keep frying, keep toasting the groundnut for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, to check if it is done, bring out one groundnut and check if the body peels well from the seed. If it doesn't, then it's not done yet, but if it does, then it's done. So I'm going to check it again. You see how clean it peels from the body, that means our groundnut is done. So these are the groundnuts. I've already peeled them. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.